Hello students. Today we are going to learn about clouds. The objective of today's lesson is to learn about types of clouds and weather predictions. What are clouds? Clouds are made up of basically the same thing, water droplets or ice crystals that float in the sky. But all clouds look a bit different from one another, and sometimes these differences can help us predict a change in the weather. We can see here feather-like clouds in the sky. These feathery, delicate clouds are called cirrus clouds, and their wispy shape comes from wind currents which twist and spread the ice crystals into strands. And if we observe cirrus clouds in the sky, that means we can predict that a change in weather is on its way. Then we have Cytostratus clouds. These clouds completely veil the sky. They can also produce a halo around the sun. So these clouds are thin, white clouds that cover the whole sky like a parda, like a veil. These clouds are most commonly seen in the winter and can cause the appearance of a halo around the sun or the moon. And if Cytostratus clouds appear in the sky, that means rain or snow will arrive within 24 hours. If we happen to see grain-like or ripple-like clouds in patchy sheet-like form, then these clouds are called Cyrocumulus clouds. If Cyrocumulus clouds are observed in the sky, it means the weather is going to be fair but cold. But in the tropical region, these clouds could be a sign of an approaching hurricane. Then if we look at the clouds in the picture now, they appear to be in white and gray layers. These are called Altocumulus clouds, and they have several patchy white or gray layers and seem to be made up of many small rows of fluffy ripples. They are made of liquid water, but they do not often produce rain. Altocumulus clouds in the sky indicates a fair weather. Altostratus clouds are gray or blue-gray mid-level clouds composed of ice crystals and water droplets. These clouds usually cover the entire sky, and if we see altostratus clouds in the sky, it means we have to be prepared for a continuous rainfall or snowfall. Then there is another type of cloud called nimbostratus clouds. These are dark gray clouds that seem to fade into falling rain or snow. They are so thick that they often blot out the sunlight, and they give a gloomy weather with continuous rain or snow. Cumulus clouds indicate a fair weather. These clouds look like fluffy white cotton balls, and very often we can identify the shape of various animals and other objects by looking at these cumulus clouds. Then we have stratus cloud. These clouds often look like thin white sheets covering the whole sky. Since they are so thin, they seldom produce rain or snow. Sometimes in the mountains or hills, these clouds appear to be fog, and they predict a fair weather, but a gloomy one. Then we have cumulonimbus clouds. These clouds grow on hot days when warm, wet air rises very high into the sky. From far away, they look like huge mountains or towers. And cumulonimbus clouds in the sky predict a heavy rainfall or hailstorm and even tornadoes. These clouds which appear in patchy gray or white and appear as honeycomb-like are known as stratocumulus clouds. They indicate fair weather for now, but a change in the weather might happen after some time, or a storm might be on its way. So we have come to the end of this lesson, and this is a small worksheet for you all. You have to prepare the worksheet. You have to write the name of the clouds and what kind of weather prediction we made by looking at this different type of clouds. You can prepare the worksheet in a PowerPoint or a MS Word file or in your note copies. Thank you.